A good quality tire is also paramount for several reasons. Speed rating for temperature, drivability, comfort, and ease of driving is very important. Going to smaller tire shops or bigger tire shops where they don't consider speed rating, the manufacturer's specifications on tires, and can cause issues over time. Tires heat up to a certain temperature and speed. The manufacturer engineers the cars to certain speed ratings that is monitored by the Highway Traffic and Safety Control. And that's why you have speed ratings on tires. When you get certain tires that are cheaper and it has a thin sidewall, meaning there's a lot of flexibility to the sidewall of the tire, that's when your tires will wear out prematurely and your speed rating is definitely not up to the manufacturer specifications. You can find all this information inside your vehicle's owner's manual. If you have any questions, please call your local Toyota dealership, which is us, Dunning Toyota.